Hello friends, so in this video we are going to discuss about the Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana PMBJP. So this is one of the important topic and it's working a very important role in this current situation of COVID-19 outbreak. So इसके बारे में हम चलिए details जानते हैं and this is very important for the any government examination like UPSC, SSC, BPSC, JPSC and other state public service commission. If you are preparing for the government examination, so please make a note of this all these topics. This is very important topics we are going to discuss, so watch this video till the end, so you will surely get good questions and a good concept about this topic. What is how is it's helping the Indian citizens and all its role, what's the major role during this situation of this outbreak. Okay, so why it's important, so let's discuss about this. So this Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana PMBJP, it is one of the major and important scheme launched by the government of India, and this scheme was actually launched in 2014. ये 2014 में launch हुआ और and by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and this is one of the most successful uh, scheme as of now, and the main purpose behind this scheme is to provide the quality medicine at affordable price to all Indian citizen. मतलब quality medicines को provide करना और वो भी affordable price में to all Indian citizens. Okay, so the main concept and the main noble cause behind this scheme, and this is till now this is working a very important role in providing the quality medicines drugs to the affordable price to the Indian citizens, so in compared to the branded price. Okay, so this pariyojana actually provide the specific uh, all the generic medicines via a kendra that is known as Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Kendra. So in Kendra, in every district and the places, different places in a district, the Kendra means एक वो संस्था और एक दुकान जैसे वो open किया जाता है. Okay, and where these medicines are being provided by the government at a government price, and mainly the generic drugs or generic medicines are being provided which are available at lesser price. ठीक है, बहुत कम प्राइस में अवेलेबल हो रही है. ओके, and these are equivalent in quality and efficiency as expensive branded drugs. Okay, so these are maintaining their good quality and efficiency as compared to branded drugs. Okay, ये branded drugs के compare में ये quality और उसके efficiency को भी maintain किया जा रहा है, so that it is not lag behind in any respect in respect of quality or efficiency. Okay, so there is a Bureau of Pharma Public Sector Undertaking of India. Okay, BPPI, it is an undertaking of India under this department, under the Department of फार्मास्यूटिकल्स. ओके, ये फार्मास्यूटिकल डिपार्टमेंट के अंदर में बीपीपीआई ओपन है. सो दैट इज बेसिकली कोऑर्डिनेटिंग प्रोक्यूरमेंट्स, ये उसको कोऑर्डिनेट कर रही है ऑल दिस मेडिसिन का प्रोक्यूरमेंट में, उनके सप्लाई में, उन एंड मार्केटिंग ऑफ ऑल दिस जेनरिक ड्रग्स. ओके, उनके मार्केटिंग में ये सपोर्ट कर रही है. ऑल दीज आर गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज. ओके, from via the Department of Pharmaceuticals. So this is the important so these are the important points facts about this. So and also इन स्पाइट ये जो सिचुएशन चल रही है कोविड-19 आउटब्रेक है, जो दिस बायोलॉजिकल इशू और प्रॉब्लम चल रही है पूरे वर्ल्ड में, इंडिया में, सो इन स्पाइट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम इन प्रोक्यूरमेंट एंड लॉजिस्टिक. ओके, अंडर दिस लॉकडाउन सिचुएशन, बट instead of this Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Kendra PMBJK had achieved a record sales, right? In the month of April it has estimated that it has sales has reached up to 52 crores of rupees in 1 month, right, in this month of April. So it is also, you can see here, see there's some Twitter information, so by Sadanand Goda, so that has been, you can see and you can read this tweet. Okay, and in the month of March it has crossed around 42 crores. Okay, so this is really going to helping Indian citizens like in the field of generic medicines with a affordable price. So due to COVID-19 pandemic, the demand of medicines and medical equipments are very high. We already know that the demands ये सब medicines की और medicine equipments की demand बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई है. So to cater this demand, Jan Aushadhi Kendra delivered a very specific important role as of now. So in India, as of now, there are around 5,604 Kendras in the country. Okay, so these are operating around and and in 726 districts of the country. Okay, 726 डिस्ट्रिक्ट में अभी तक अराउंड 6,300 तक का केंद्र ये ओपन और फंक्शनिंग कर रही है. ओके, ये ओपनड है. सो हियर इन द इमेज यू कैन see all the highlighted part. So this is important schemes and important move by the government of India. So these are very important point for government point of view. Okay, you can ask the questions, you can be asked like questions regarding this topic. So please make a note of all these important points. So you can pause the video. आप यहाँ पे वीडियो को पॉज करो और important points, जो जितने भी important points highlighted है ये सब इसमें लिख लो. Okay, now let's some discuss about the औषधि स्टोर, अबाउट जन औषधि स्टोर. सो ये जो औषधि स्टोर है, वी ऑलरेडी नो दीज आर ओपन ऑल अक्रॉस द कंट्री और इनका नॉर्मल वर्किंग आवर्स है 8 बजे सुबह से लेके 8 बजे रात तक. और बेसिकली दे अवेलेबल विच टाइप ऑफ थेराप्यूटिक मेडिसिन आर अवेलेबल इन जन औषधि स्टोर्स, एंड इन एडिशन टू मेडिसिन एंड सर्जिकल आइटम्स आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल in these stores. So at affordable price. Okay, OTC, over the counter products can be purchased by any individuals without prescription, but the prescription is for registered medical practitioner is necessary for the purchase of scheduled drugs. Okay, scheduled drugs के लिए प्रिस्क्रिप्शन फ्रॉम ए रजिस्टर्ड मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, जरूरी है, उसके बिना शेड्यूल ड्रग्स प्रोवाइड नहीं किया जा रहा है. ओके, सो यू कैन सर्च in Google the Jan Aushadhi Kendra nearby in your locality, so you can approach and you can get the generic medicines at a very affordable price. Okay, so and the quality, safety and efficiency of the medicines are being ensured by getting each batch of the medicine procured from the CPSU as well as private supplier tested from NABL अप्रूव्ड लेबोरेटरीज. ओके, सो वहाँ पे वो सब अप्रूव्ड, यहाँ से अप्रूव्ड जो भी लेबोरेटरी से जो मेडिसिन होते हैं वही अलाउ हुआ जाता है, इस जन औषधि स्टोर में जाते हैं, वो प्रोक्यूर किए जाते हैं. ओके, सो these are some important points. So who can open? So this Jan Aushadhi store can be opened by governments, by state governments or any organization, private hospital trust है वो open कर सकते हैं, इसके लाइसेंस लेकर. reputed NGOs हैं जो हेल्थ सेक्टर, मेडिसिन ये सब सेक्टर में वो कर रहे हैं, वो कर सकते हैं, ओपन कर इसके लाइसेंस को रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं. चैरिटेबल इंस्टीट्यूट, डॉक्टर्स, अनएम्प्लॉयड pharmacists, to be individual entrepreneur, all these type of group organization individuals are eligible for the apply of this new Jan Aushadhi store. Okay, so applications shall have to be employed on B Pharma or B Pharma degree holder as a pharmacist in their proposed stores. Okay, all the information, friends, all the informations are taken from the PIB, and that is Government of India site. Okay, these are for all government policies and in the health sector's questions. So in the questions related to UPSC, IAS, JPSC, VPSC, or State Level Public Service Commission, if you are preparing for all these government examination, then this topic is very important. So subscribe this channel. So keep watching. So let's see in the another video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.